Hello everyone, today we are making pork and bell pepper stir fry in black bean sauce. This is a simple dish with a rich, savory flavor from fermented black beans. The bell peppers and onion add a fresh, crisp texture that balances the pork. It goes really well with steamed rice. Let's start with the vegetables. I'm using 1 green bell pepper. Cut off the ends, remove the seeds, then slice it and cut it into bite-sized triangular pieces. And about a quarter of red bell pepper for a pop of color. Then cut a quarter of an onion into bite-sized pieces and separate layers. For the aromatics, we'll need 1 green onion using mainly the white part. Chop it into small pieces. Then finely mince 2 cloves of garlic and a piece of ginger. Now let's move on to the pork. Partially freeze the pork belly till it's firm but not completely frozen. This makes it much easier to slice it thinly and evenly. Next, let's take a look at the fermented black beans I'm using. You're ready to use right out of the jar, but some dried varieties can be quite salty and need to be rinsed first, so it really depends on what kind you use. For the stir-fry sauce, combine 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vegan oyster sauce, a pinch of white pepper, and half a teaspoon of sugar. Give a good mix. Now it's time to cook the vegetables. Heat the pan over medium-high heat and add a little oil. Add a pinch of salt and sugar and give a quick stir. Then add the bell peppers and onion. Stir fry for about 20 to 30 seconds, just till they are slightly tender but still crisp. Transfer them to a plate and set aside. Finally, let's cook the pork. Heat the pan over medium heat and add a teaspoon of oil or less, since the pork belly will release plenty of fat as it cooks. Add the pork belly and spread the slices out in a single layer, allowing the fat to slowly render. Once the pork has changed color and started to release some fat, give it a quick stir to cook off the excess moisture. Then add the cooking wine to reduce any gamey smell and add aroma. Keep stir-frying till the edges are golden brown and slightly crispy. Then add the fermented beans, green onion, ginger, and garlic. Stir-fry till fragrant. Pour in the stir-fry sauce and toss everything together. Finally, return the bell peppers and onion to the pan, give a quick stir and it's ready to serve. The pork is rich and flavorful, coated in the savory fermented black bean sauce. The bell peppers and onion add a fresh, crisp texture. It's such a simple dish, you don't even need to marinate the pork. I hope you give it a try. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.